Amitabh Bachchan and Ayushmann Khurrana's Gulabo Sitabo, directed by Shujit Sarkar, is now all set for an Amazon Prime release. Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl, starring Janhvi Kapoor, will also release on Netflix. Vidya Balan's Shakuntala Devi will make its way to Amazon Prime Video. Well, is releasing films on OTT platforms beneficial or not? It's 100% beneficial. As of now, the situation that we are in with the pandemic, theaters are shut. How will films release? When will they release? What will happen to the theaters? Will you have full 100% occupancy? Will you have 60% occupancy? How will you sit in the theaters? How many films can release once with the backlog? Let's say if Gulabo Sitabo did not release on OTT, if Shakuntala Devi did not release on OTT, Gunjan Saxena did not release on OTT, can all of these films release all at once in the theaters? What will happen then? So, it is immensely beneficial for these producers, especially of films but that are not big budget films, like a Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl, like a Shakuntala Devi starring Vidya Balan, even a Gulabo Sitabo starring Ayushmann Khurrana, Amitabh Bachchan. It is beneficial for these films to go straight to OTT because let's look at the facts. First, you recover your costs, you even make a little profit. Audience-wise, now what's happening is Indian cinema is going and targeting a wider audience all across the globe. You go around the world and thus you target those audiences which have never been sort of exposed to your cinema. So huge audience factor. With all these platforms, you get good marketing, you get good support, so they promote your film really, really well. And right now, as I said, there is no doubt that the clarity is certainly not there about theaters. Well, as I said, it is beneficial for the films, for these producers of these films, and for the actors who star in these films, the entire unit of these films. But what happens to the theaters? Is it beneficial for them? Well, I'll say this is a good move even for the theater owners, because once these films are out of the picture and they go for a OTT release, the big movies will have a grand opening at the theaters. What do I mean by that? Well, the biggest release, the biggest film that has gone to OTT right now is Lakshmi Bomb. You remember Akshay Kumar's Lakshmi Bomb was to clash with Salman Khan's Radhe This Eid. That clash was averted due to the pandemic. Now Salman Khan reportedly will release his film Radhe this Diwali, right? Akshay Kumar's Lakshmi Bomb, in a historic partnership, has now gone to Disney Plus Hotstar for a whopping 125 crores. That's a huge number. So we are talking whether it's beneficial for films or not. This is a huge unprecedented number, 125 crores for a film simply because it went directly to OTT. Even with a big star, the maximum that you would get for a digital release was 60 to 70 crores. But then again, let's not forget, if this film, Lakshmi Bomb, released in the theaters, it had the potential to touch 200 because Akshay's last three films have almost crossed that 200 figure mark. 190, 192, 205. He's been around that mark. So how do you choose? Well, it's simple. Akshay Kumar also has 4 to 5 films lined up for a year. So what does he do? He did the perfect thing. He went with an OTT platform, and thus now Lakshmi Bomb is going to drop. That bomb's going to drop on OTT, Disney Plus Hotstar. So it really opens up your market. It gives producers every sort of option. It also gives theater owners, it pushes theater owners to weigh their options according to which film they want to pick and choose which film they think will draw the audiences to the theaters. Right now with the pandemic, how many families, how many couples, how many individuals will be comfortable going to the theaters thinking that, I might transmit, or I might catch the virus. That is a big scare for everybody. Since the vaccine is not out, since there is no cure, nobody knows what's going to happen to the theater. So it's an excellent move going directly to OTT. And as Anurag Kashyap said, even the theaters owners who are miffed with this move, they are only miffed because an Amitabh Bachchan film or a Vidya Balan film is releasing on OTT. They are not miffed because of the small films like Choked, Paisa Bolta Hai, Anurag Kashyap's films. So if you take cinema as a whole in totality, for every filmmaker, what this does is it opens up a lot of options for filmmakers and producers alike. Plus, talent-wise, everybody is on the same level. So you have an Amitabh Bachchan film on OTT, you have a Vidya Balan film on OTT, you have an Akshay Kumar film on OTT, you also have a Saimi Kher film directed by Anurag Kashyap on OTT. You have a Patal Lok directed by, produced by Anushka Sharma. That's on OTT. Anushka's coming up with Bulbul on Netflix. So there is this big race now for brilliant content to make the most of this opportunity, even in this dark phase. When we are hit by the pandemic, they are making the most of this opportunity, and it's 100% beneficial to release movies on OTT platforms.